This is my loomed hat. I wanted to make a bucket hat, and I wanted it to have a brim that stood on its own. It's basically a bucket hat, and it's pretty cool. I like it because it reminds me of those Mexican blankets, so it can be worn like this as well. But I like it like this because it hides my eye bags that way. In any case, just wanted to share this with you. It's a wonderful, wonderful hat, and I sewed it on the top as opposed to bunching it together. I wanted it to be a hat, so I sewed it on the top. This is Brother Victor Morales. Love somebody with your knits. God bless you.